Hey y'all, so I'm super excited. I'm outside, cold as all get out. I got Draco here. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's walking around, y'all already know, being my security guard. But I'm super excited because I'm actually about to put together the girls' car. It's a little bit before Christmas, but they're getting an early Christmas gift. They're getting a lot of their stuff early than usual. Of course, y'all already know we're leaving, but I wanted to still feature this because this is just in time for you guys to buy this for your kids because it's on Amazon, and y'all already know the vibes of Amazon. So this is the product right here. And of course, I had to get my girls pretty and pink. Look at this, y'all. Pretty and pink. Can y'all see? Hold on. There we go. So pretty. So I'm actually about to open up the box and I'm gonna get everything set up. Excited? What is it? Y'all need to go in the house and put this thing together. But let's see. It pretty much looks together. It's so pretty. They're gonna love this. They're gonna love this. So it comes with like, okay. Hey guys, so I have gotten all of the items out of the Jeep and we are now within very empty Jeep. This is another day, in case y'all realize I changed my outfit. Except the hat, because this is my drop the girls off at school hat and my drop the girls off at school coat. It's not too cold out here today. It was much colder the other day when I first started this. So I'm happy. Still got fresh out here with me. And we're gonna see how helpful he is. Oh. Okay, y'all, so it's been a little bit more than 30 minutes for me, but I've made progress, very much so, and I'm halfway done at this point. I'm just tightening the wheels. That one's pretty tight. I'm gonna just finish. I'm actually cheating. I'm watching a video of someone put it together on YouTube because I'm a visual learner sometimes when it comes to like building stuff. Like as far as school, I can read a book and understand very well. But when it comes to putting stuff together, for some reason, it's like I can't read anymore. I can't comprehend. I don't understand. Like the diagrams just kind of like mesh, and I think that took up like 15 minutes. Not to say that it's not an easy manual to follow. I'm just talking about my struggles as a mom trying to put together this stuff. Okay guys, so I have finally completed it. I did it. I'm so proud of myself, but I actually want to cry. I want to cry, but I did it. I'm actually about to charge it. The girls will be out of school within like the next hour or so, but it needs to charge up for like 8 hours. Time to turn it on. And I have the remote control right here.
Come on! Journey! No, thank you. Y'all can go. Okay. Right here, scoot over, please. Don't turn it on.
Wait, you have to put the seatbelt on. I already got it on. Go ahead.
Not yet.
Put the seatbelt on.
Sorry. But don't drive any.
This is my favorite feature right here. P for parent. I'm gonna go with parent because they do have the ability to drive themselves. I'm gonna let y'all see it.
Mommy,
go ahead, Jori.
Mommy, I think this is the fastest.
So when you see a kid veering off, doing the unthinkable, you can go ahead and control them and put it back no matter how fast they're going. So I really like that. Okay. You can still.